I'm Lillian Cumic, author of the newly released Vegan Cookbook, Hawaii, a Vegan Paradise. This book has over 120 plant-based recipes from the islands, but not only of typical traditional Hawaiian food. I've veganized Hawaiian favorites that you'll see in any restaurant all around the islands, and food that people love and that will remind you of this gorgeous paradise we call Hawaii. Take a look at some of the recipes that I've veganized and you'll agree this is going to be one of the best Christmas presents or presents you can give for the holidays. Hawaii, a Vegan Paradise shatters the notion that vegan food is boring. I am actually a vegan chef of 20 years and I spent 30 years in Japan learning how to cook and refine my craft. So you're going to find in this cookbook different ways of cooking using different seasonings, and you're going to find out that salt is not the only seasoning or flavor enhancer out there. Cookbook is more than just a book full of recipes. It's actually a really pretty cool guide that will take you through the ins and outs of the vegan lifestyle, getting set up in your kitchen, utensils that you'll need, pantry staples, anything that's going to help you along with this new journey of yours. But always keep in mind that this cookbook and any vegan cookbook is not just for vegans. Anyone who loves food is going to really get a kick out of this one. Whether you are from this gorgeous paradise we call Hawaii, or you have traveled and spent time on the islands, you are going to be brought back immediately with the stunning illustrations in this book, and all of the dishes are going to really remind you of the food that you have tried here. Most of you know that Hawaii isn't only traditional Polynesian dishes. Hawaiian food has now become so eclectic and such a melting pot for other cuisines, including Japanese, Chinese, Portuguese, and I've made sure that I've included a lot of these recipes in the book, so you're going to find a plethora of cuisines going on here with that little vegan twist and Hawaiian taste. Please order your copy of Hawaii, a Vegan Paradise, available on Amazon, and it will be in time for the holidays. It's going to make really the perfect gift for anyone who loves food as much as I do. Please be sure to order your copy of Hawaii, a Vegan Paradise, on Amazon as soon as you can, so it will be there in time for the holidays. If you are gifting it to someone, you might consider getting a signed copy directly through me. I'll leave all the information and links in the description box below. You can also order directly from the local publishing house, Mutual Publishing, here in Honolulu, Hawaii, and get a copy through them as well. You will be supporting local when you buy this book. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are interested to see what I'm getting up to, or look at my new recipes, you can find me at Lillian Vegan on Facebook, YouTube, and my website, Lillian Vegan. I'm also on Instagram, Lillian Vegan _Chef Hawaii. Have a wonderful holiday season. I look forward to seeing some of you on the islands at my book signings, meet and greets, and also you'll see me on Lillian Vegan as I make more and more beautiful plant-based dishes, saving animals one delicious plate at a time. Thank you for watching. Aloha.